we're joined live now from Washington, D.C. by Isabel Rosales.
And Isabel, you are outside the Supreme Court where protests started early today. What is it like out there now?
Ron, Reka, good evening to you both. Yeah, shockwaves, certainly. That leak has sent off shockwaves from Washington and all over the nation. You can see the Supreme Court right here over my right shoulder, just a football field away. Not sure if my mic can catch it, but clear chanting, a small group of just over 100 demonstrators and growing by the hour are outside chanting with signs saying choice is human right, abortion is health care. There's also smaller groups of pro-life demonstrators, the two groups separated by police barricades. But it's not just out here. We're also seeing from New York to Houston and beyond, it advertised on social media, people crowding at municipal buildings, at parks, at landmarks, anxious and insistent on making their voices heard. Abortion clearly here is a contentious topic that inflames the passions, whether you're pro-life or pro-choice. And beyond the demonstration, we also have a pulse on the feeling of the American public, although the Supreme Court is certainly not dictated by public opinion here. But a CNN poll from back in January shows that the vast majority of Americans, 70% of them, are not in favor of overruling Roe v. Wade. But if it does come to pass that this decision falls, they are in favor of more permissive state laws when it comes to abortion. Just 30% of Americans are in favor of bringing down Roe v. Wade. Ron, Reka.
Isabel, let's talk about what's going on inside the Supreme Court now. They're reacting to this leak already.
Right, and I cannot overstate to you how unusual it is, that such a leak came from the Supreme Court, one of the institutions here most shrouded in secrecy in Washington. Alongside that we're actually hearing from the Chief Justice, John Roberts. He put out a statement about this scandal, frankly, that has been going on, and he did confirm the authenticity of that document, of that draft majority opinion there, but he warns that this is certainly not the final version of this. This is the draft that had been circulating in early February. Language can change and has changed in the past. Even votes could potentially change. But what we got from that statement was really this sense of frustration. He said, quote, "This is a betrayal of the confidences of the court. They are not happy that this is suddenly in the public limelight."
All right, Isabel Rosales live in Washington, D.C. Thank you so much.